Markets just closed, and we're seeing red across the board today. Fear is gripping the market right now at just 28 out of 100. The S&P 500 dropped 60 points to close at 75,115, down nearly 0.8%. The Nasdaq took the hardest hit, sliding 1.5% with a loss of 408 points, closing at 25,173. The Russell 2000 fell 0.83%, confirming weakness spread across both large cap and small cap territory. Only the Dow Jones held up relatively better, down just 0.26% to 52,498. Here's what drove today's sell-off. Technology stocks got absolutely hammered. Nvidia dropped 3.52% despite overwhelming bullish analyst coverage at 64 buy ratings. AMD crashed 4.21% and Intel plunged 6.12%, the single worst performer in the S&P today. Tesla tumbled 3.19% while Meta fell 1.86%. This is a full-blown tech retreat, and it's dragging the entire market lower. But here's the fascinating flip side. Energy stocks were massive winners today. ExxonMobil surged 4.05%, Chevron climbed 3.29%, and both benefited from crude's strength. Salesforce jumped 4.84% with outstanding quarterly momentum. Visa and MasterCard also printed gains of 2.52 and 2.08% respectively, showing payment processors still have legs. After-hours action is quiet so far with modest movement. Futures aren't showing any major follow-through selling, which is a small relief. Here's what's critical. Analysts are overwhelmingly bullish on the mega-cap tech names that just got crushed. Microsoft has 63 buy ratings to 0 sells. Amazon shows 70 buys to 0 sells. Google has 60 buys to 0 sells, yet the market is selling them anyway. That's a major disconnect worth watching. Apple is the only Magnificent Seven stock near all-time highs, while rivals languished this year. Citi just hiked Apple's price target ahead of the iPhone 18 launch. That's drawing money away from traditional AI plays and into Apple's ecosystem story instead. The single most important thing to watch at tomorrow's open, whether this tech sell-off was a one-day shakeout or the beginning of a longer correction. If Intel and AMD gap lower again at the bell, we're looking at real structural weakness in